In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from all devices on Telegram. So you can easily have access to where you are logged in on Telegram and log out all sessions of your Telegram account on any device where you are logged in. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And the first one to do to log out Telegram on all devices or across all devices is open the Telegram application and click on the menu icon at the top left. Go down and click on settings. Now once you select settings, just scroll down. After selecting settings, click on privacy and security. Now once you click on that, under the security option, scroll down here and click on devices. Then under devices, you'll see all your active devices here. You can see in my own case, I have active session iPhone 12 Pro Max, Chrome, Safari, and Oppo Reno 5. And here, I'm currently using the Samsung Galaxy 54 in recording this video. Now to log out all these devices or all these sessions, all I just need to do is click on terminate all other sessions. Then you should see a pop that says, are you sure you want to terminate all other sessions? That is to log out your Telegram account on all devices. Go ahead and click on terminate. Now once you hit the terminate button, you should see all other sessions terminated. And here, you are only active on this current device. So this is how you can easily log out Telegram accounts on all devices. This is helpful and informative. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.